Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use hay to earth up your first early potatoes. And there we go. So once your potatoes are just over 10 centimetres tall, you can use your hay, or you can use compost or mud as you normally do, but I just use hay at the moment because I'm quite into using hay. So what you do is you just get it. Doesn't matter if you cover plants, you just put a good layer around. They'll soon push through if you cover them, and this can protect them from frost, and it can also, it stops the tubers from going green when they get ready. Some people argue that you can find a lot more slugs when you use hay underneath the hay. I find this a bit of a problem, but if you do a late night patrol where you go out and collect all the slugs, it's not too much of a problem. And if you have ducks, then it definitely won't be a problem. So there we go. That's how you use hay to earth up your first early potatoes. Some reasons that you might want to earth up your potatoes. So if you plant them in early March like I have, then they can be quite susceptible to frost damage because they're not actually very hardy, believe it or not, potatoes. So they will send up new shoots, but if you want sort of an earlier harvest, then I'd recommend that you earth them up or protect them with frost with fleece or something, as Hugh mentioned in his latest video. So with the hay, it'll protect them from wind because the stalks will be a bit the wind won't be as strong hitting straight onto the plants. Now also, sometimes when you have potatoes, some tubers are higher to the ground than others. And the ones that are higher to the ground can often get some green on them, and that's where the sun's got to them and they photosynthesized. Now if you want to avoid this, then you can earth up and keep a mulch on, and that will make sure that all your potatoes aren't green. So I thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Please, in the meantime, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. And also, please follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.